Hey, this is Jared with A Better Repair out of Mesa, Arizona. Just wanted to take a second to recommend Coach Corey K's PDR training or coaching. I first found him from his podcast, I think through one of the Facebook groups. Started listening to his podcast, got a lot of real good information from there. When I heard he was starting the Launchpad for young techs or people fresh into business, I ended up actually being the first person to sign up. I found out later on. I was very glad that I took advantage of that. Corey gave tons of good feedback. He provides like real feedback. Sometimes it's not necessarily what you want to hear, but it's what you need to hear. I think that's really good for business growth, and he did a lot of stuff for personal growth as well, which I think was really big. Tons of great information. I still have a notepad filled with actionable items that I need to continue growing on. Just building on. I took a lot of the information and put it into play that day or thought about it, and within the next couple days, he's now doing a Young Guns course for, I think, techs 5 years and under. I'm sure that will also be a great program with Gene Fetty. He's just a wealth of knowledge, and I'm sure he won't steer you wrong. So I highly recommend his courses, his training, and all of his coaching. Thank you. Have a nice day.